When it comes to construction machinery and equipment, we must think of forklifts. Today, I will introduce a four-wheel drive off-road forklift truck from Rexroth, a high-end industrial vehicle manufacturer from Germany. This forklift is characterized by its strong off-road capability and versatility, with excellent off-road performance and a small turning radius. It can operate flexibly on all kinds of terrain, even in narrow spaces. At the same time, it also has a strong carrying capacity, up to 4 tons. Whether it is handling